morning I just wanted to talk to you about, I know about our cell phone service. I know a lot of people have their own ideas on what kind of phone they want when they're traveling, and all the different plans and stuff that are out there. But since we're cheap bastards, basically, um, we we have a Tracfone, and I've been using the Tracfone ever since they came out, probably in the mid to late 90s. I love them. I think they're the best thing out there. And what I have is I just have the LG 41C, and it's a smartphone. It still has the camera. You can do video. It has Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. You can put music on there just like you can any of the other phones. It has the camera, video. You can do apps with it. In fact, I have an app on here that I can actually use to control the GoPro camera that we use a lot in our videos. You can do email with it. It also has GPS. There's been times on this trip trying to get to different places, you'll punch in some place and it'll tell you, turn left here, turn right there, that kind of thing. But the thing that I like about it is I like the idea of having a cell phone. I don't like the idea of a big monthly payment to have a phone. And with the Tracfone, you can go to like your local Walmart or a lot of the grocery stores now, to some of the home improvement stores even sell the different cards that you can buy for your phone. But what I do is the phone that I have, and a lot of them now are triple minutes. So that means, like, for example, like for my phone that I have, if you go online, there's different options available online at the Tracfone website that there isn't available at the store. For example, you can go to the Tracfone website, and for a year, you'll get 1,500 minutes. But if you have the phone that is triple minutes, you'll be getting 4,500 minutes. That's good for the whole year for $199. So you're paying $200 for a whole year's worth of service. And so what I usually do is I just buy the 3,000 or the 1,000 minutes, and then since my phone is triple, then I get 3,000 minutes for $159. Well, $159.99. And then you can also buy data for your phone, because there's different areas where we go where some of these state parks, they do have Wi-Fi, but not all of them do. And since we are cheap, we don't buy any extra plans where we can upload videos right from wherever we're at. We'll go out and use the phone to look up different places in the town that we're at, to where we can go and upload videos that have free Wi-Fi. Most places have the McDonald's where you can go, or in Truth or Consequences, they had an awesome place there. It was at the senior center. Super fast Wi-Fi. You go in there and you can use that for free. So all in all, it just kind of depends upon what your needs are. If you want a monthly phone bill, like I said, I don't. Neither does Jay. But they do have the yearly plans. They, like I said, mentioned, they have phones that have triple minutes. They have phones that have double minutes. Triple minutes to me made the most sense. You're getting, triple the value for your money, basically. But they do offer online the 1,500, 1,800, and 400 online. And then in the store, you can usually find the 450, 200, 120, 60, and the 60. Those are all in the store. And those are good for 90 days. And then online, you can buy the 30 minutes of airtime service, but that's only good for 30 days. And that's $9.99. Plus you can also buy extra data for your phone. So if you are someplace where you don't have Wi-Fi, you can still use your phone to get online and search the web, find different things that you might need. But this is also online too, buying your data. They have a 4 gig card, which is $50. 2 gigs is $30. 750 megabytes is $15, and 300 megabytes is $10. And they also have phones that you can buy on there. They do bundles. I did research on my phone before I bought it. And then I actually went on eBay and bought it because there's, I can't remember who it was or what dealer I bought it from, but I actually got my phone for less than what I got it on the Tracfone website for. Plus, the dealer that I bought it from included 600 minutes. So I got the phone and 600 minutes. Oh, geez, I can't even remember. It was a really good buy. If you buy the phone off the Tracfone website, you usually just get the phone, and then you still have to buy the minutes extra, which you would anyway. But yeah, I can't. Like I said, I know people that have you know, the new iPhones, and they love them. You know, there's nothing wrong with them. This is an Android phone. And I've had the same phone number for years. Once you get the phone number, you can keep it. I've upgraded phones over the years to Tracfone. And if you have minutes on your old phone, you're buying a new phone, you can transfer those minutes that are on the old phone to the new phone. But we love it. We love the Tracfone. I don't think I would ever go to another phone, you know, whether it was through Verizon or, I shouldn't say that though, because one time I did go and I tried T-Mobile, because they do have a prepaid phone, so you're not kind of stuck in a contract for a couple years or whatever. And I didn't like it that well. It didn't. The only place that it worked is when I was at home. If I went anywhere, in fact, I went to Sturgis one year on my Harley, and I couldn't use the phone at all, and it sucked. So I went back to the Tracfone, and then there was another time that I did go to Sturgis. I had my Tracfone with me. I was able to use my phone, and there was lots of people that had other phones, you know, different carriers, and they weren't able to use their phone at all. So, just something, just, you know, this seems to be a topic that a lot of RVers are talking about, you know, which phone to use. You know, do I buy the little jetpack so I can upload videos? Not, you know, that sort of thing. But we really haven't found to buy any of that extra stuff necessary, because usually there's always some place that offers free Wi-Fi. And that's what we do. We just seek out the free Wi-Fi. That's why we put the videos on YouTube, to let those of you that are out there traveling know where the free Wi-Fi spots are, because some of you might be cheap just like us. But yeah, I'm just yammering on. But I love my Tracfone. I hope this has been helpful. You know, maybe thinking about what you might want to use when you're out on the road. So we'll talk to you again real soon. You guys have a great day.